Good morning, guys. We're doing things a little different this morning. I don't know how well this is going to go over, but I'm letting the chickens out and we're going to get some eggs. I got them all waiting to come out. Gotta go get some corn first. Got the eggs. We're gonna get some eggs too. Say hi, Reagan.
Hi.
Here, just leave that open for right now.
Chicken butt.
You can leave her alone.
She's on the rest.
Is she?
Probably.
Stick her hand under there.
She ain't got nothing under there.
Alright. Pick that back up. Let's go check inside. This is their secret hiding spot. See if you can reach them. Be careful putting them in there.
It's like 12 of them. Pulling the basket up.
Oh, sorry. Wait.
It's gonna be dusty.
Okay.
There you go.
That hurt.
Start scooping it all and throw it over here in the back. Go over on the back side, Addison, and start just pushing it towards the front. And it'll slide straight in.
Oh, here's some eggs in the corner.
How many do we have?
There's 6.
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's an itsy bitsy one.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's stinky in there.
Don't drop them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we gotta start checking in the corners. Another tiny one. Got it? Yep.
Yep. Let me see that. I'll show you. Come here. Come here. She wanted out anyway. You ready, Squirt?
Yeah. Ready when you are.
This one's kind of open already.
Yeah, throw it in. I'll cut it up. Start at the, here, let me cut that open for you. Start at the back side. Start pushing it this way.
The back side?
Yeah. And just kind of dumping it everywhere, then we'll scatter most of it and the chickens will do the rest.
I'm shaking all of my boots.
All right, Reagan, you got this one?
Yeah. Shaking music up here in this room.
That's enough for each one like that, just where it's nice and soft.
No, you have to spread it out.
That's good. We don't want to get too much up here. You gonna be in or out? Where are you gonna be? In or out? Well, we got that little project out of the way. We got the chicken pen cleaned out. It's not spring yet, but we're having spring-like weather. So it's a good time to get in there and clean all that out. I try to do the hen house at least twice a year, depending on, you know, how dirty it gets. But that is done. We dumped all the wood shavings and, you know, everything that was in there out there in the compost bin that we built back in the fall. So we took all the hay. We threw some hay in here just to help keep them warm from that bad cold spell. So we threw the hay out here, and I ran over it with the lawnmower and chopped it up. This will help seed the grass out here. The chickens like scratching around in it anyway. So now we're going to get out and work on the silvo pasture. We've got a lot of little small trees we're going to cut down. A lot of those trees we will use for cooking, you know, in the smoker and that sort of thing. Some of it is just going to be junk. It's just trash. But a lot of it we're going to keep and cut up and use it later. So don't try to kill me in the comments, because I'm actually light a fire out here. I've had people telling me that I'm killing billions of people by burning that. So I don't get it, but you know, whatever. So we're going to move on to that and try to get that done today. Hopefully pretty quick. We're going to start building that fence all the way down the driveway. That's going to be a lot of work. Get that done so we can get some more pigs here. Well, as you can see, got a lot of cleanup done. It was mostly just scrub stuff. See all that, maybe. But it made it look a lot better. It's just bushes and junk through here. We still have a lot left to do, but we have a lot of big trees that need to come down. Not real big, but some pretty good sized trees. And I put an ad on Facebook right quick on Marketplace to see if anyone wanted to come cut some of these bigger trees down that need to go and use it for firewood. I don't want to burn them up and just waste them. So I have a guy who actually responded right away, and he's on his way over here now. So he's going to look at this and see if he wants some of these bigger trees for firewood, and I'll clean up all the mess, all the stuff that's left behind. But yeah, slowly but surely we're making a place for the goats. We will have pigs in here first. We're gonna just electric fence this whole thing, and I think we're gonna get 4 pigs coming up here in the next month or two, hopefully, if we get this fence built and get all this fenced off. And the pigs will help clean up some of the stuff on the bottoms, you know, rooting around, and kind of help turn the soil over a little bit. And then we get the goats in here, and of course everyone knows what goats do. If they can reach it, they're going to eat it. So that'll help too. But that's it. I'm going to pick up a bunch of my stuff. Some of this stuff we've cut up for firewood for the fire pit. The girls want to have a little fire in the fire pit and cook marshmallows or whatever it is they do. So that's all I'm going to do for now. Pick up my stuff, and that's it. We may go for a ride.